What's the meaning of counterfeiting? Counterfeiting. Counterfeiting.
Counterfeiting. Counterfeiting. Counterfeiting refers to the production of fake or imitation goods or money with the intention of deceiving the public. Counterfeit products can be harmful, substandard, and unsafe, posing a risk to public health and safety, as well as economic damage to legitimate businesses. In addition, counterfeiting is often associated with other illegal activities such as money laundering and organized crime. The consequences of counterfeiting are widespread and severe, including financial losses for individuals and businesses, damage to reputation and trust in brands, and potential criminal charges for those involved in producing and distributing counterfeit goods.